if you have your weight. So in the basic rider course, they always teach you to get on from the left. But the way the cops do it is they squeeze the brake, I step on the board, and then I just swing my leg over.
Yeah, I think I can do that.
And it's yeah, I don't know how that works for you. This is kind of falling off too there too.
Yeah.
Oh, you can do it. You did it. You guys want to try it? And you can get off that way too. It's just a lot. For me, I had hip surgery. So I got a new hip on my right, so it works a lot better.
You come in and you turn your head, but then you turn it again. So it's like a multi-point head turn. You're here, then you look here, then you look here.
Okay.
Instead, just look to here. Don't do it as a multi-point, because every time you turn your head, the bars turn like this.
Okay.
So you have to like do one head turn and just go to that point with your arms. That's going to make a huge difference. Oh, don't do that. That's direction you want to go. So press right, press left, press right, press left, press right. What are we doing with the throttle?
Keep the throttle.
Very steady. And as we're pressing, it's really easy to roll up. So make sure your wrist is in a low position to start, so you don't move your throttle. Press, 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 press. We've got tall bikes and we've got sporty bikes. And generally, like the Harleys end up grinding or bottoming out or G'ing out, and so you should feel very precise in there with all the bikes that we've got for this. Head and eyes up is the key. If you're not, you'll get the one in front of you, but you'll blow the next one.
Yes, right here.
So now, slalom, go through the slalom.
Do this now.
Started to slide in the back and the fork was diving, you started to put your eyes down. When it's down, you don't have any balance.
Yes.
And it could slide out. You wouldn't even be able to catch it. And you know all this stuff's very expensive.
Yeah.
So head and eyes up for the whole stop.